Okay, so here we are at the beginning of stage 3 or section 3, whatever you want to call it. And we've got our ship inside of a maze, and we've got stars inside of here that we can collect. Of course, our maze is being drawn up by either objects laid out inside of a tiled file or inside of a Sprite Kit scene file. So we have both options. And what's left? Well, we need to create a kind of an edge around all of this, so you can't just drive off into nowhere. And that's a slightly different type shape because it's one that doesn't actually have an interior mass to it, whereas these boundaries, the ship could not actually kind of coexist inside of here with normal physics. So we'll have an edge-shaped boundary. We've got to include in our enemies, and one of the first things that we're going to do is actually create sensors so you can't do things like this. See, I'm traveling along, and if I go down, I'll just stop like that. So we're going to make sure that that does not happen. So our ship will actually have 4 sensors around the sides of it. And then we'll also include in a background image. We'll set that up so it has parallax scrolling, and we'll look into loading the next level via a game data property list. So that's going to manage all of your level data and some of your game settings. And then finally, we'll include in some text for lives left. And of course, if you run out of lives, the game will just reset itself. So there is a lot ahead, and let's get to it.